Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Step into effortless elegance with this chic pants outfit. Now introducing pants outfit designs to merge comfort with ease fashion. December features pair of tailored high waist pants crafted from premium soft flowing fabric that drapes beautifully along the legs, offering a sleek and elongated silhouette. The pants are completed by contrasting top, whether it's structured blazer, a delicate blouse, or a stylish top, creating a harmonious and polished look. Every detail of this outfit speaks sophistication, from the subtle pleats and crisp seams of the trousers to the refined buttons and the delicate stitching on the top. The color pleat is versatile yet striking, ranging from classic neutrals like black beige and navy to soft petals and bold jewel tones, allowing you to express your personal style with ease. Embrace the perfect blend of style, comfort, and versatility with this carefully comfort and curated pants outfit. The fabric is breathable yet structured, ensuring you to stay comfortable throughout the day without compromising on elegance. The pant feature a flattering on elegance that cinches the waist while allowing ease of movement, making it ideal for both dynamic city life and relaxed social gatherings. The top pairs seamlessly with the pant, whether it's flowing tunic or sleek blouse or a tailored jacket, creating a layered look that adds dimension and sophistication. Fine details like subtle embroidery, delicate patterns, or textured finish bring depth and character to the outfit, making it a statement piece for any wardrobe. This ensemble is designed to cater to modern fashion sensibilities while maintaining timeless appeal. Its versatility allow for effortless styling. Dress it up with the bold accessories, heels, and a structured handbag for a formal event, or dress it down with sneakers and minimal jewelry for a casual chic look. The carefully chosen color tones and classic silhouette ensures that this pants outfit remains a staple in your collections, ready to elevate any occasion with understand luxury and confidence. Whether stepping into a boardroom, heading to a dinner party, or enjoying a casual day out, this pants outfit promises to make a lasting impression, blending contemporary trends with timeless elegance. Step into a world of elegance and modern sophistication with this meticulously designed pants outfit, a perfect fusion of style, comfort, and versatility. The high-waisted pants are tailored to perfection, sculpted a flattering silhouette while offering ease of movement and ultimate comfort. Crafted from premium soft-touch fabric, they flow gracefully with every step, creating a look that is both refined and effortlessly chic. The accompanying top is a statement of understated glamour, whether it is a delicate embroidery blouses, a sleek satin shirt, or a structured blazer. Every piece complements the pants flawlessly, adding dimension and character to the assembles through full details from precision stitching and subtle pleats to elegant buttons and texture accents elevate the outfit, making it a standout choice for any occasions. Designed with versatility in mind, this assembles transitions seamlessly from professional meeting to casual brunches, evening dinners, meetings, or special occasions. Neutral shades like classic black, ivory, and beige execute timeless elegance, while soft petals and bold jewel tones make us confident. Fashion-forward statement accessories from minimalistic belts and statement jewelry to stylish handbags can further personalize the look, ensuring it reflects your unique style, whether paired with the polished heels for a sophisticated evening look or sleek flats for daytime ease. This pants outfit is a perfect blend of particularly and high fashion. Every step you take in its radiates confident poise and effortless elegance, capturing attention without trying too hard. It's more than just a clothing; it's a lifestyle statement, a testament to the modern individual who values both comfort and control. Elevate your wardrobe with this pants outfit and embrace a look that is timeless, versatile, and unmistakably stylish. Discover the import of modern elegance with this stunning pants outfit designed for the woman who embraces sophistication without compromising comfort. The high waist pants are tailoring to perfection, offering a sleek, elongated silhouette that flatters every body shape, crafted from luxurious, soft touch fabric. They move gracefully with every step, creating an effortlessly polished look. Subtle pleats and precision seams add dimension, while a perfectly fitted waistband ensures both style and comfort. Pair with a chic top, be it a flowing blouse, a structured blazer, or delicately detailed tunic. This ensemble blends timeless designs with contemporary flair. Intricate detailing such as fine embroidery, tonal stitching, or textured accents elevate the outfit from simple to statement, reflecting attention to craftsmanship and style. The harmonious pairing of pants and top allow for endless styling possibilities, making it a wardrobe essential. The outfit versatility makes it perfect for every occasion, transition seamlessly from professional settings to evening gathering, casual brunches, or stylish city strolls. Choose classic natural shade for understand elegance, soft petals for a touch of vibrant jewel tones to make bold fashion statement. Complete the look with accessories, a minimal belt, delicate jewelry, or a structured handbag to further highlight your personal style. Whether paired with elegant heels for a commanding presence or chic flats of relaxed sophistication, this pants outfit embodies modern femininity, confidence, and poise. Every detail, from the fabric luxurious drape to the thoughtfully designed cut, ensures you make an effort unforgettable impressions. It is the not merely an outfit; it is a celebration of style and comfort, and the timeless of art of dressing with grace. Step into the symbols and let it transform your everyday look into something extraordinary, radiating elegance, confidence, and effortless charm. Step into a realm where style meets sophistication, where every fabric, cut, and detail has been thoroughly curated to create an ensemble that is as versatile as it elegant. This pant outfit is more than just clothing; it is a celebration of modern femininity, a testament of confidence, poise, and timeless fashion. At the heart of this assemble a high-waisted pants tailored for perfection or sculpted elongated the leg, creating a sleek silhouette that moves with ease of grace. Made from luxurious soft touch fabric, the pants drape beautifully, capturing light and movement with every step, while subtle pleats, crisp seams, and delicate stitching elevate the overall refinement to design. The top completes the outfit, whether it is flowing silk blouse that sways gently with the body, a sharply tailored blazer that exudes authority and confidence, or a delicately embroidered tunic that brings artistry and texture to the assembles. Every choice of the fabric ensuring that the outfit is harmonious, sophisticated, and effortlessly stylish. Texture, finish, tonal accents, or subtle embellishments add depth and dimension, allowing the outfit makes a statement while remaining timeless and versatility. Designed with the modern lifestyle in mind, this pant outfit transitions seamlessly from day to night. In the morning, pair it with sleek flats or minimal heels for a polished yet comfortable look. Ideal for business meetings, creative workspace, or casual city strolls. Add understated jewelry, add a structured handbag, and outfit execute professionalism and elegance by evening layer or statement accessories. A bold neckline, sparkling earrings, or a designer clutch, and a swap your flats for high heels transition the look into a glamorous, eye-catching symbols perfect for dinners, evening events, or social gatherings. Color and tone play a pivotal role in the outfit versatility. Neutral shades such as classic black, envoy being, and navy offer timeless sophistication and allow the wearer to experiment with accessories or contrasting layers of petals, introduce touch of femininity, while rich jewel tones make a bold fashion forward statement that is impossible to ignore regardless of the pleat chosen. Each color is selected to complement silhouette, enhance the wearer confidence, and make a statement without overwhelming the symbols. Every detail of this outfit is meticulously designed to celebrate individuality and self-expression. The high-waisted pants flatter every figure, while the top design allow for layering, draping, or structured styling to reflect personal state. Accessories from delicate belts to elegant handbags can be incorporated and to further personalize the